sana i-enjoy niya yung pagiging mag-asawa niya. Wala yung singhalan, walang... Basta congrats. Basta isa lang ang panatag ko sa sarili ko, umano kayo sa tamang tao. Ing, ikaw kay Jojo, si Jet kay Jessica, si Mara kay Michael. Sa tamang tao kayo. Sa akin, Ing, Myra, and Jet, anuhin niyo yung...
Ako naman, masasabi ko, no? Last week pa sinabi sa akin ni Ing, I will deliver a message. Huh? I cannot sleep for 1 day. 2 days. Ano ba sasabihin ko maganda? Sa mga anak ko, sa mga marriage nila, nakatatak na sa bad comment at sinasabi ni Daddy. Pero sabi ni Ing, Dad, good comments lang ang sasabihin mo, wala nang iba. Kaya naman, masasabi ko, she really is a kind-hearted person. She is a nice person. Napakabuting bata niya. Siya'y maawain at mapagbigay. And that's all. Thank you.
Thank you very much, the proud parents of the bride. Maraming salamat po for your message. This time, let's hear it from the parents of the groom, the OG Mr. and Mrs. Gonzalez. Palakpakan po natin na Sir Zoe and Miss Bang.
Good evening po muna sa ating lahat. Ing, Jojo, binabati ko kayo. Tsaka, salamat nga pala at naging mabuti kang anak sa amin ni Papa mo. Salamat din, Ing, kasi mahal na mahal mo si Jojo. Meron lang pala ako ibabahagi sandali, konti lang. Wait ka lang. Nung una silang magkakilala ni Ing, birthday yata niya, parang na-request niya sa akin na kausapin ko daw si Ing sa telepono para imbitahan ko sa bahay dahil birthday niya. So parang nagamit din niya ako para maging sila ni Ing. So ako naman, bilang nanay, hindi ko naman talaga nakikita pa yung babae. Sabi ko na lang, ano sasabihin ko? Sabihin mo na lang, ma, na pumunta siya sa birthday ko. Mabuti na lang, di siya nagpunta kasi gabi na din. Magiging problema ko pa yon. So sa inyong dalawa, binabati ko kayo, Jojo, si Ing mahalin mo, igalang, pati na ang kanyang magulang, dahil kung hindi sa kanila, wala kang isang magandang asawa. Thank you.
Ako po ay labis na nasisiyahan sa gabing ito. Kasi sa wakas, nalagay na sa maayos yung dalawang taong nag-iibigan. Hindi na ako mag-aalala kung nasan sila, kung ano ginagawa nila. Dahil alam ko, sigurado ako sa sarili ko na nasa mabuti silang kalagayan. Dahil sila'y lagi nang nag-iisa. Pangalawa, wala po ako mapintas kay Ing. Mabait, mapapagkumbaba, marunong makisama, maganda, matalino. Welcome na welcome pa sa family namin. Sana magustuhan mo rin ang pamilya namin na simple, payak, ganun lang. At mabuhay ang bagong kasal. Salamat. Salamat po sa inyo.
Woo! Parents of the groom, thank you so much. I'm very sure excited na rin po sila sa kanilang mga magiging apo. Congratulations din po sa parents of bride and parents of groom. Palakpakan po natin once again the proud and happy parents of our couple. Okay, let's continue with the messages this time of the principal sponsors. May we have on stage Princess Grace Cubaco. Palakpakan po natin si Ninang Princess.
Good evening po pala sa inyo lahat. Ako po yung pinsan ni Ing, kung di niyo po alam. Ako po yung nag-alaga dati sa kanya na nang baby pa siya. Iniiwan siya sa akin ng mami niya, ng daddy niya. So, very special sa akin na kinuha mo ko ninang. So, parang natatouch ko. Ang wish ko lang sa inyo, ang wish ko lang sa inyo, magsuportahan kayong dalawa, respetuhan, galangan. Yun nga, ang sabi nga nila, para sa healthy and successful marriage na alam naman natin, is hindi 100% perfect. Diba? So, may mga ups and downs. So, dumating man ang problema, ang unos, andyan pa rin kayong dalawa sa isa't isa. So, intindihan lang, kahit ano man ang dumating sa inyo, pray lang kayo kay God. Okay? Congratulations sa inyong dalawa. Salamat.
Thank you very much, Ninang Princess. Ang daming fans ni Ninang Princess. Maraming salamat po. Okay, this time everyone, let's have the beautiful pair of Mr. Mark Jester Acuña and Ninang Jessica Marie Acuña. Palakpakan po natin, Mr. and Mrs. Acuña.
Hello. Ayan. Good evening, everyone. So, ako yung sister-in-law ni Ing and yung husband ko yung brother niya. So, ako din yung nag-alaga kay Ing nung pagka-na-joke lang. No. Ayun. So, ever since nung time na I was introduced with the family, I've known Ing as the baby girl talaga. So, since siya yung bunso ng family nila, parang ever since she's fond of being the strong-willed, very independent. Talagang, alam mo yon, every guy would be intimidated kapag nakilala siya. So, yun, and then came Jojo. And then suddenly, parang naging bright yung aura ni Ing. Medyo parang maraming times na tumatawa-tawa siya. Pero syempre, may sense naman. And yun lang. And yun nga, parang a new version of Ing yung nakita namin ever since that time. And so, Jo, thank you for bringing this side ni Ing. And she's more happier and more radiant version as we all see sa kanya ngayon. And Ing, thank you for proving that, you know, as a strong, independent woman, syempre, nagme-melt din. So those kinds of, you know, toughest girl can still melt with that kind of guy when you find your true love. So to both of you, congratulations. So kami, not just your ninong and ninang, please, your ate and kuya will always be here for you and Jillian. So whether you need advice or a company or gala, so let's go. Congratulations and cheers to a lifetime of happiness. Happy marriage!
So ayun, ang haba na ng sinabi niya, so makawala ng time. So I'll make it short. So congratulations to both of you. Jojo, welcome to the family. And si Ing, pakabait ka. So yun lang. Congrats and best wishes.
Mr. and Mrs. Acuña, everybody. Thank you so much. Now let's have Mr. Gary Rosas and Ma'am Bern Rosas. Palakpakan po natin sila, ladies and gentlemen. Ninong Gary and Ninong Bern.
Hello. Jo, wala akong masasabi sa iyo. Jo, magbakabuti ka, kayong dalawa, both of you. May God bless you always. Congratulations. Happy wedding and congratulations. Thank you very much.
Congrats sa inyong dalawa. Magmahalan kayo na tulad ng pagmamahalan namin mag-asawa. Oo. Bigayan, yung paggalit yung isa, magagalit yung isa. Kumbaga, nasa ano, anong tawag doon? Bigayan, basta bigayan lang. Pag yung nagagalit yung isa, huwag magagalit yung isa. Parang ano, magpakumbaba na lang yung isa, ha? Eto, ninang nyo na kaming dalawa, malapit lang naman kayo sa amin, pwede kayong pumunta lagi, ha? Always. Lagi may pares ang inaanak ko. Sige. Ano, thank you sa inyong dalawa.
Thank you very much, Mr. and Mrs. Rosas. Now, everyone, let's welcome on stage Ninong Laurent Lamasuta. Can we give him a big round of applause, everybody?
Hello, good evening, everyone. Sorry, I just found out I have to make a speech a few minutes ago. See, usually Sharon, now I know you call Ing also, I found out today, and she's the one making all the speeches for me at work, right? I used to anyway, right? So all the time I had to make a speech, Sharon would be the one to write it. Galing, di ba? You don't believe it, right? She's so good. And, you know, from the time she joined the company, she's always been talking about, you know, a boyfriend, you know. Yeah. And, you know, we were in a company where you have a lot of predators, di ba? English lang po, okay? So, meaning that you have a lot of guys interested into, you know, intelligent and beautiful girls all the time. And Sharon was always saying, you know, Ing pala. No, I already have a boyfriend. I'm not interested in any of you guys, di ba? But we couldn't believe it, because frankly, this is the first time I'm meeting Jojo. And after how many years, right? So all the time, Sharon was filing for a leave to go on a trip. Boracay, Hong Kong, Japan. Maybe I shouldn't say that. Maybe your parents don't know where you're going, right? Your sister, yeah, right. So all the time she goes for a trip, we used to ask her, do you think he's going to ask you these times? Right? It's been a while, diba? So, and all the time she comes back from the trip, everybody's queuing outside the office. Show me the finger. Wala pa. So it was always a disappointment, Jojo, you know, to the extent that at one day I even asked Sharon, I want to meet Jojo because I don't believe he exists. How many years now? 8 years ba? Parang it's quite a while. But I'm glad you made it, right? And I'm so happy for you guys. I think you're going to have a fantastic life. This girl is fantastic. I'll just love her, right? And of course, like the priest was saying, all in Tagalog, and the few words I captured, you know, it's all sermon about the marriage and all of that. Of course, you will have, you know, the trust, the constant understanding, the respect that you need to have. But in the same time, communication to me is a key to any couple's, marriage, right? So I strongly suggest that you go through the Discovery Weekend we talked about, right? Where you're going to ask all the tough questions that a couple has to answer individually. And I think that's very important, right? At the same time, if you need any advice, don't hesitate to call me. I'll be happy to help you out. Don't call me just to hear what you want to hear, because I'm going to give you the truth of things, okay? So we'll get the tough answers on that, all right? So congratulations to both of you, and thank you very much. Enjoy it.
Thank you very much, Mr. Lamasuta. Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this time we will now be watching the most awaited same-day edit video and on-site photo edit. So the on-site photo edit will be brought to us by Creative Films and the same-day edit video from Ardor Films. Wala po munang lalapit sa ating bagong kasal. This is also their first time to watch this video. So, family and friends, let us all feast our eyes on the screen in front of us and let's all enjoy these wedding highlights.
From this moment, life has begun. You are the one right beside you is where I belong. to you. All I need, the very air I breathe to. Oh, 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 oh. Many questions I've thrown to the skies. All of the answers found in lies. When I'm with you, home is never too far. My weary heart has come to rest in your I found a way home. 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 So I'm coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. Oh, 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 coming home to you. You're all I need, the very air I breathe. You
I don't wanna look at anything else now that I saw you. I don't wanna think of anything else now that I thought of you. I've been sleeping so long in a 20-year dark night, and now I see daylight. I only see daylight, and I can still see it all. Losing him like I never known. Trying to know somebody you never met, but loving him was
Our relationship is not always a bed of roses. We have many similarities, but we also have our differences. What I love most is that Despite all the challenges, we always choose to fix things, adjust to each other, respect one another's point of view, and most importantly, we never stop loving each other. As someone who always overthinks about the future, I'm no longer afraid of it because whatever happens, I know I have you. Now that we're stepping into the next phase of our relationship, here's what to expect. So ganito, pasensya na pero lahat ng ayaw mo ay gagawin ko. Ayaw mo maglaba, ako maglalaba. Ayaw mo maglinis, ako maglilinis. Ayaw mo maghugas, ako maghuhugas. At handa na akong mag-sorry kahit hindi ko kasalanan.
I can say that you were the biggest plot twist of my life. I've never imagined that one of my friends, na hindi ko naman talaga ka-close nung umpisa, will be the one who I get to spend my whole life with. When we started as friends, we didn't really had the chance to show our best foot forward. It was actually the other way around. We were both lost and met at a time when neither of us was expecting to find love. And definitely not the kind of love that would lead us here today. That was a time when we don't take life and responsibility seriously. But look at us now. We have achieved some of the things we thought were impossible when we were 22. I am truly proud of what we have become as a couple and as two complete individuals. Two complete opposite individuals.
I've waited 100 years. I'd wait a million more for you. Nothing prepared me for the privilege of being yours If I had only felt the warmth within your touch.
People would often ask us, ano nagustuhan niyo sa isa't isa? And you would always say na sa akin, you have peace of mind. Siguro narinig niyo, Lord, yun, and He gave us a challenge. What if that peace was taken away? Would you still choose each other? And we did. Even when life got noisy, and even when others tried to shake what we had, we learned to drown out the chaos, to listen to our core, and to trust each other.
Love is my turning page. Only the sweetest words remain. Every kiss is a cursive line. Every touch is a redefined phrase. I
mahiwagang pipiliin ka sa araw-araw. Bakit mahiwaga? Anong kaibahan ng pumipili ng isang nagmamahal kung bakit siya mahiwaga kapag yung pagpili ay nasa loob ng pagmamahalan? Bakit? Dahil ang taong umiibig lamang ang kayang piliin ang kanyang minamahal kahit sa kapangitan ng kanyang minamahal. It is only through love that we can choose even the worst in the person that we love. Salamat dahil hindi ninyo pinagsawa ang mahalin ng bawat isa.
But it has always been our peace and our comfort. Pipilian ka sa araw-araw, sa mga araw na masaya, malungkot, may tampuhan, o walang kasiguraduhan. And as we begin this new chapter as husband and wife, I promise to keep choosing you in laughter and in silence, in sickness and in health, in calm and in chaos. I am excited to build our future together, a life and family rooted in love, patience, and the peace that we've always found in each other.
The wedding highlights, ladies and gentlemen, beautifully crafted by Creative Films and Ardor Films. Palakpakan po natin our photo and video team. And of course, Mr. and Mrs. Gonzalez, napakaganda po ng inyong wedding highlights. The best that we have ever seen. There you go. Let's have you guys on stage once again for your message this time to your family and friends.
Hi everyone. Hello. I just want to thank everyone po for all your effort for coming here. I know it's a Thursday and nag-file po kayo ng mga leaves nyo. And medyo malayo sa mga bahay natin. Gano. Tapos umulan pa. So it just shows that you really love us. And thank you for staying and for witnessing our love. It's very rare talaga na to have both our loved ones in one room. I think this is just parang once in a lifetime moment talaga. So thank you very much.
Yun, so syempre thank you rin sa inyong lahat, no? Grabe, solid kayo kasi hanggang dulo you stay, guys, no? And dun pa lang pinapakita nyo na talagang solid tayong yung relationship natin sa isa't isa, no? Kaya yun, maraming salamat! Mabuhay!
Thank you so much, of course, Jojo and She. Before we end the program, can we request for one final kiss from you guys? 5 seconds lang po, pero hanggat hindi ko po sinasabing one, hindi po maglalayo ang inyong mga labi. Okay? Continue kissing till you hear me say one. Ladies and gentlemen, the final kiss for tonight. Mr. and Mrs. Gonzalez, go! 5, 4, 3, 2, 2, 2, 2. We would like to acknowledge as well the following wedding partners. Wala pa pong one, continue kissing. Palakpakan po natin our photographer, Creative Films. Thank you so much for that wonderful work. And of course, Ardor Films. Maraming salamat din po. Wala pa pong one, continue kissing. Kiss pa po, kiss pa, kiss pa. Wala pang one. SS Events Management, thank you so much to SS for the catering, the styling, the lights and sounds, the photo booth, and of course, Double Shot, our mobile bar, would be open afterwards. And Fedici, in behalf of my team, Catherine's Passion, this has been your host, Catherine, saying thank you very much, everybody. At pinili nyo pong magstay till the end of the program. How about we give a big hand To everyone who stayed till the end of the program, maraming salamat. Palakpakan naman po tayo. Ayan. Now, to start off with the after party, si Jojo po ay may hinanda pong special number for all of us. Let's all watch this. Come on, Jojo, take it away.
Activate dance mode countdown. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
Masusunod pa